Welcome to the video. Today I want to introduce how to register SINGCALL wireless calling system APE350 pager with 5 APE6800 mobile receivers. I will register each mobile receiver step by step. Firstly, I'm going to register number 1 mobile receiver. Step 1. Please turn on the DOWN switch. Keep pressing the key DOWN for 5 seconds, making the mobile receive on standby mode. Then press the button FUN until register appears on the screen. Step 2. Press the ENT button to choose mode to Keymode. Then keep press the FUN button until mute key showing. Next, press ENT to choose a single key, and then keep press FUN button back to Keymode. Attention please! If you want to register APE350 with 5 receivers, you must set the receiver into single key state. The mute key is factory default state. Step 3. Press the ENT button until register appears on the screen. Then press the FUN until 001 appears. Next, press the Captain Roman number 1 on the APE350. The receiver beeps and the number 001 is flashing, and you can see the number 3 appears on the right side of the screen. That means this receiver is registered to be number 1 successfully. Step 4. Press FUN until register appears on the screen. Then keep press the ENT till back to standby mode. Now this receiver is registered to be number 1. Repeat step 1 to step 4 to register other mobile receivers. All the registration is finished. Let me show how to call the receivers. Thank you for your watching.